I've got the elbows going, we've got the blues going. Full mayhem. Yell out when you got colour so Jack can gaff them for you. This is what you call action. 6-way hookups, red hot style. Yoo-hoo! Rod's been over everywhere.
How many? 6?
Yeah, we had 6 on then. And Jack had another one go off, so I think it ended up with 7. All nice albacore. You cross over, guys. Yeah, come up towards me with the orange one. You go underneath him. That's the way. Beautiful. This one's at the boat, Jack. That was awesome. 6 on the 1. Poor Jack attack going feral down the back, swinging the gaff everywhere. Here we go. Keep winding. Beautiful.
Look at that. Just fell out of
Oh. Action packed. I told you we'd catch him today, boys. Come on, Chad. It's not a snapper, is it?
Going again? Or?
Yeah. Yep. Just quickly, one go over, another one under. Go over the top of him, Chen. Let your friend come up here. No, go over the other way. Let him come under you. Oh. Wrong way, I think. Here we go, Jack. Oh. Yeah, I'll come this way. Just swing him in. Lift him in, Jack. Don't even gaff him. Quick, and the next one. This next one's a gaffable one. Yep. Quick. Yeah, come this way, it's a bigger albie, mate. Step back. Beautiful. They're all poling them in. So we've got the last one out of 6 down the back to go. And we'll get 6 out of 6. Yep, come around towards me, Chen. Steer him up the front here. Out the back there, Jack. Got another one, Jack. It's a big one. Nice albie. Keep winding, buddy. Well done. What do you reckon about that, boys? Yoo-hoo! 6 out of 6, not bad.